Sometimes you get confused. Sometimes you feel so clear. Another moment you feel you can heal the world. Another moment you feel this is worthless.
Sometimes you feel very happy, light, joyful, like everything in life is flowing. And then, suddenly, without warning, you feel low, heavy, confused, even empty. Many people ask, why does this happen? What is wrong with me? But nothing is wrong with you. This is simply the nature of the human mind and emotions.
With all these emotions up and down like that, okay? Now what happens to your physical body then? You have all these emotions going on, happy, down, sad, and happy again, and sad again, fighting, angry, anything happens, or feel so peaceful. This creates energy flowing activities in your body, or energy transformation in your body. When you feel good, your body has more alkaline energy. When you feel sad, your body has more acidic energy. Then when you feel good again, you spend more you have more energy to help to balance the acidic energy and invite the acidic energy to transform. And when you feel so angry at a moment, everything you have done in the past for 10 years in vain. Because one anger like that can produce enough poison to kill a mouse. If you have so many angers like that piled up, and ended up you have no mice to be killed, then it kill your organs. You kill your gallbladder. You kill your plastic. You kill your intestines. You kill your liver. You believe it? It works like that. You don't believe it? It still works like that.
Happiness comes and goes. Sadness comes and goes. You are not your emotions. Think of your mind like the sky. The sky does not become the storm. The sky allows the storm to pass. In the same way, your true self is calm, peaceful, and still. Emotions are just temporary movements of energy. When you feel happy, enjoy it fully. Don't cling to it. When you feel down, observe it gently. Don't fight it. The more you resist your emotions, the stronger they become. The more you accept them, the faster they dissolve. In Qigong, we understand that emotions are energy in motion. When your energy flows smoothly, you feel joy, peace, and clarity. When your energy is blocked, you feel sadness, anxiety, or frustration.
Now pick up your right foot and step aside a little bit further away from each other. Then slowly you hold your hand. The tips of the fingers connect together, left to right. Hold the heart shape right here in middle of the navel. Now you start moving. Inhale. You shift your weight to the left. Stay there for a second or two. And then exhale slowly. Move to the right. Inhale. And exhale. And you feel so peaceful while you are doing this movement.
It prevents energy leakage after practice, stabilizes the mind, and deepens inner peace.
You take 5 seconds or more to inhale, and 5 seconds or more to exhale. Once you start, now you listen to your body. You relax your lower back, relax your shoulders, give a little bit pressure to the tip of the fingers. After you do this movement a few times, you might notice your body wants to make a little twist, a little turn. When you have that, just follow. Now, just like what I'm doing, as my body turns a little bit.
This will help to release emotional stress through subtle energy control.
When that happens, that means you are activating the intelligence of your Qi to guide you to go through this movement. With this little turns or twist, the Qi, the intelligence of the body, is guiding you to open up special energy channels for longevity, for clearing energy blockages in the knees, in the hip.
This will activate energy channels in your body and mind.
As people feel the knees are weak or there are some pains in the knees, maybe this pain, this discomfort from your injuries. If it's not from your injuries, if gradually you just feel your knees becoming weaker and there's some pain, dull pain, that means your liver is not doing that well. If you feel there's some achiness in the bones, especially in the springtime, that means you've got an energy blockage in the hips, in the hip joint points, the Huantiao point. So now this movement can help you to open up all these energy channels, nurturing your bones, bone density, and your knee pain. So move your body gently, slowly.
This balance harmonizes yin and yang energy, bringing emotional stability and clarity of mind.
Feel the Qi. Feel you're so happy. Your heart just filled with joy. Life is just so filled with contentment. You allow this beautiful happiness, joyfulness, contentment energy with peacefulness running through you. Focus on the good things you already have in your life. By doing so, you are able to help yourself to activate the intelligence of Qi even more. Feeling how good you feel, how wonderful you feel, how grateful you have. Feeling deeply in every part of your body. Remember, drop your shoulders.
Visualization supports the mind-body link, amplifying self-healing and Qi restoration deep in the bone system.
And when you have a saliva coming out, that means the Qi is really moving nicely inside. And then you slowly swallow that saliva. It's a very good internal medicine for your digestive system, for your lymph system, for your stomach, spleen, and liver. Now we're coming to the end of this movement. We're going to do 2 more. Inhale, move your body to the left. Exhale, slowly shift your weight to the right. And then inhale again, shift your weight to the left leg. And exhale, shift your weight to the right. And stay there for a couple seconds. And then slowly bring yourself back to the center. Now Bring your right foot back to where it was. Straight up your knees. Take a deep breath. Now put your hands down.